to all of you. Thanks for joining. And last test, everyone did a good job. And this time this test will directly go. You have to submit it. I think leaders already aware you that it's auto. It will start. There will be nothing that you can say, ma'am, one more minute. It will this will be stop. It will start by the office and will stop by the office. So this is you have online test, have the practice just like the if we have you have to give the UT or any kind of exam. It will be like this that you are going to appear today. So as soon as you have to submit it, it will be directly go and you will see your marks too. So that is a good thing that you can aware with the any kind of mistakes or whatever it is. But the main thing I am telling you, don't lost whatever you did on right time. I'm again telling you, when it will start, I will let you know after the lecture, and it will stop exactly 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock, don't stop, submit 2 o'clock. It should be 1 minute before 2. Don't take the chance of that. It will be stop exactly 2 o'clock. So I don't want that you work so hard for this test and just for the submission, you are losing your marks and the attendance too in the test. Nothing is in my hand. It will be automatically started. So it will be stopped by automatically 20 minutes. So when the test will start, I will let you know as soon as we will done the class. But the closing time is exactly 2 o'clock. I am telling you again and again, don't take the risk, students,
मैम
for the last
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया
moment
था
of 2 o'clock. Clear हो गया सबको? क्लियर है
मैम
ना?
फिर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था
अब इसमें आपको बार बार ये नहीं होगा कि मैडम 1 ही मिनट ऊपर हुआ था, 1 मिनट नहीं होगा, ऐसे आपका फाइनल एग्जाम भी होगा या यूटी भी ऐसी होगी. सो आपकी प्रैक्टिस ऐसी होगी कि यू शुड बी वेरी रेगुलर. आपको इनफ टाइम मिल गया. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट द यूनिट 3, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. So why I'm revising this is the from this
मैम
topic
आवाज नहीं आ
unit.
रही
फिर आपको प्रॉब्लम है कि सबको प्रॉब्लम है? बोलो, ये ऐसे कॉपरेट करने की कोशिश करो ना. इसके लिए मैं तो आपको कह रही हूँ कि आई एम रियली डूइंग माय बेस्ट.
हेलो
So let me start it. Please don't disturb. If you have any problem, just you try to be find it the way you with this time, because this time is already short today. I have to be go through with the test too, because office will start on the right time but they given to me. So fitness, what is for this topic, I was going to tell you that this topic for you, this unit, you are getting 10 marks question in the school exam as well as in the board exam. You will get the 10 marks question, means one question will be 5 marks, one question will be 3 marks, and 2 will be MCQ. So like this way, and it's very important, your whole syllabus is running around this fitness. What is that? Physical fitness. So fitness is the healthy means what is that is healthy citizen is the need of the hour of each and every nation today, and by achieving the better lifestyle. So today lots of the health problems are faced by each and every individual, as I can say hypertension, obesity, cancer, means I can say asthma, posture problem, in that we are getting some from hereditary, some from environment. So all these lowering the means negative health status or the low level of the health, which is the burden for the family, society, as well as I can say for the nation. So healthy citizen is the slogan of each and every nation, which can be achieved not only by lots of the money but having the better lifestyle or more other factors. So fitness is the just is not that a nation is very physically fit and they have the lots of medals. I can say this is it play the important role in everybody regardless of age, gender, or the I can say male or female. So this fitness is what is the physical fitness is. Physical fitness is the capacity or the ability of an individual to do his daily task, routine works very effectively or efficiently without getting tired. So this is what it is, the physical fitness is. Simultaneously, if I go with the different, there are different kinds of definitions. Even WHO, World Health Organization, very simple words, they are saying that physical fitness is the capacity of the individual that regardless of his age, that he can make his enough means they can do the work and participate in all kind of the activity by using their reserve capacity to meet those to recover the fatigue. So all these different definition I already shared with you. So this is all about the physical fitness. Now I can do the simultaneously because we are doing the revision. What is wellness? So you will say, ma'am, this that was the what was that physical fitness. So what is that physical fitness? One more time I want to clear with you. Physical fitness is the capacity of the individual or the player to do his daily task, work very effectively and efficiently without getting tired. So simultaneously I can go with the wellness. What is wellness? Wellness is the ability or the capacity of an individual to to lead a balanced life, can be mentally and emotionally a well balanced life along with or by physical fitness. So we can conclude that it is a state of optimum well being of an individual. So wellness, what is the balance is the so next is the healthy lifestyle. So wellness is clear to each and everyone. What is the wellness is? This is a state of optimum well-being of an individual. So lifestyle or positive lifestyle or active lifestyle, same thing. So lifestyle is referred as the individual activity or the lifestyle is the individual activity or the lifestyle that individual undertakes to
हेलो मैम, आपका म्यूट हो गया माइक। यस
No,
मैम,
you
अब
can hear
अनम्यूट
me?
हो गया। यस मैम।
Okay, I fixed it. So a way of life and a way of life and a style of living that refer to the attitude and the value of the persons and a group list in a pattern of behavior or way of an individual. So what is the lifestyle is? It's very easy. Then we can say lifestyle is a way of living of an individual. The lifestyle of an individual is the what is that attitude, habits, regardless of his or her living pattern. So a positive lifestyle can be bring the happiness and quality of life, and negative lifestyle can lead to an illness or depression in the life. So this is all about the meaning of three of them, means physical fitness, wellness, as well as the lifestyle. Now I am going to do, excuse me.
लाइफस्टाइल मैम समझ नहीं आ रहा था, मैम दोबारा समझा दो।
Okay. Lifestyle is a way of living of an individual. The way आप कैसे रहते हो, कैसे बोलते हो, किसी से कैसे बिहेव करते हो, फिजिकली, साइकोलॉजिकली, सोशली और इकोनॉमिकल इन्वायरमेंट। तो आपको कहते हैं कि उसके पास वो इतनी अच्छी वो ड्रेस नहीं डालता, इतनी अच्छी उसके पास बुक्स नहीं है, तो उसका लाइफस्टाइल आप किस में कंसीडर करते हो? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट। और अदरवाइज कहते हैं ही इज वेरी स्मार्ट, वो छोटी सी बात करो तो बड़ी जल्दी से समझ जाता है, तो दैट इज आल्सो द लाइफस्टाइल। सो लाइफस्टाइल इज द वे ऑफ लिविंग ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. Lifestyle is the copes with the physical, psychological, social and economic environment. So lifestyle can be referred as the individual, यहाँ से समझो एटीट्यूड, कैसा आपका एटीट्यूड है दूसरों के लिए, कैसी आपकी हैबिट्स हैं रिगार्डिंग हिज लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स. सो पॉजिटिव लाइफस्टाइल कैन ब्रिंग द हैप्पीनेस एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, जो अच्छे वेल बिहेव्ड हैं, सोशली एडजस्टेबल हैं और जिनमें अच्छी हैबिट्स हैं, अच्छा एटीट्यूड्स है, छोटी छोटी बात पे एक दूसरे के ऊपर अनॉयड नहीं होते और हैबिट्स भी अच्छी हैं, तो दैट इज नोन एज द lifestyle. So that is positive can be or as well as negative can be. So way of lifestyle is the living that reflect the attitude and value of the persons, or I can say lifestyle is a pattern of behavior or way of an individual group of the cultures. आप समझ आ गए बेटे जिसने पूछा था? क्लियर हो गया बेटे?
यस मैम।
Okay, so what behavior we do, that is the all this group that is known as the lifestyle. So healthy lifestyle, same meaning. When we have a positive lifestyle, always he or she can take it easily and bring the happiness in the quality of the life is. Now we are going to jump on the what are the components of each one of them is. First of all, I will do that is very important is the component of physical fitness. There are 5 physical fitness component as you know already is the strength, speed, endurance, strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, and coordination. So first of all, strength. It is the ability to overcome the resistance. So strength can be defined as the amount of the force we get it from the muscles. So power of the muscles. It directly strength is related to the muscles. That is a name is power amount of the force. So it is the most important component. It is strength. What is strength is very much clear to you. It is of 2 types, static and dynamic. Static then I can say static is the strength that is can be called isometric strength. So it is the static strength जो है, it is the ability of the muscles to act against the resistance. जो बेटे हम खड़े खड़े करते हैं, that is what it is. Static strength is just like weightlifter or the throwers. वो खड़े खड़े बेटे करते हैं ना, so that's why it is static. Now the second type is the dynamic, that is 90% strength we use in our sports. So that's what it is. It is of when we use this strength in the movement, playing any game just like sprints or cycling. This kind of strength is swimming is known as the dynamic strength, and it is of 3 type. Maximum strength, one time when we use the maximum strength just like a thrower, weightlifter or wrestlers. Second is the explosive strength that we use mostly with the speed. When we use the speed, it is a combination of strength and the speed. In other words, just like in 100 meter, 400 meter, long jump, all these are included in the explosive strength. I can say cycling. Here is the MCQ. Cycling movements, powers, that I can say basketball, all the major games, sprints, all these kind of things. We use all the jumps, we use the explosive strength. Last is the strength of endurance. When we have the strength but we need the endurance. I told you before too, what is endurance? कुछ नहीं है बेटे. Endurance is the ability जो हम किसी काम को लंबे समय के लिए करने की हमारे में कैपेसिटी हो. जैसे बास्केटबॉल की गेम है तो 20 मिनट की खेलनी है, तो बाद में इंटरवल के बाद फिर 20 मिनट की खेलनी है. तो स्विमिंग है, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रेसिस हैं, रोड रेसिंग, रोड साइकिलिंग है, ये सारी की सारी किस्में आती हैं स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इंड्योरेंस. उसमें हमारे को स्ट्रेंथ की भी जरूरत है और साथ में साथ इंड्योरेंस की भी जरूरत है, कैपेसिटी टू डू द वर्क for the longer period of time without getting tired. That is known as the endurance. So this is all about the strength is. Now the next is the component of physical fitness is the that is speed. So it is the ability to do, it is a what is the I remember I told you s, what is s is equal to distance divided by time. So it is the ability to do any action fast or any movement faster, just like 100 meter, 50 meter, even 200 meter. और दिमाग में रखो इसकी एग्जांपल किससे बनती है? स्पीड से, जिसकी आप दे सकते हो एग्जांपल मिल्खा सिंह की. इन अदर वर्ड्स, इट इज द एबिलिटी टू मूव द बॉडी एज फास्ट एज वी can. So this is can be hereditary or by environment too. So it is of I can say 4 types or 3 types is the major one is that is reactionability. Reactionability बेटे एकदम से जैसे आपको स्टार्ट दिया गया है तो कुछ बच्चे 1 सेकंड लेट लेते हैं सिग्नल पे, जस्ट रेडी सेट एंड गो, जैसे गो बोला कुछ लेट लेते हैं. तो दैट इज द रिएक्शन. जैसे कोई चीज गर्म होती है तो हमारे हम टच करते हैं तो एकदम से हाथ पीछे करते हैं ना, तो दैट इज नोन एज द रिएक्शन. सो रिएक्शन टाइम इज द एबिलिटी टू रिएक्ट इफेक्टली और क्विकली एट द signal. So it is a time taken by the response. It is directly related to हमारे जो है बेटे न्यूरो नर्वस सिस्टम से रिलेटेड है. कहते हैं इसका दिमाग ही नहीं है मैम, देखो वहां पे केला था, इसको शॉट लगा लेनी चाहिए थे, ये पास दे रहा तो उसने इंटरप्ट करके बाल खराब कर दिया. So that is the reaction time, means we have the ability to do the movement when we get the direct message from our nervous system. So that is the reaction time. अब इसकी मेरे ख्याल में समझ आ गई कि हम जब रिएक्ट करते हैं बहुत एफिशिएंटली और क्विकली एट द सिग्नल. सेकंड टाइप ऑफ स्पीड इज द स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट. स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट मीन्स कि जैसे मिल्खा सिंह की एग्जांपल है कि उसको फॉरेनर्स ने अंग्रेजों ने भी ये बोला था कि इसके हमारे को पैर दिखाई नहीं देते, ऊपर से बॉडी नजर आती है, एक रखता है दूसरा रखता है, कब रखता है कब उठाता है हमारे को पता नहीं चलता। तो तभी तो मिल्खा सिंह को नाम दिया गया है फ्लाइंग सिख ऑफ इंडिया। सो इट इज द फास्टेस्ट मींस स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट की एग्जांपल भी मिल्खा सिंह के दिमाग में रखना कि इट इज द फास्ट स्पीड और क्विकनेस ऑफ द मूवमेंट इज द एबिलिटी टू डू ए सिंगल मूवमेंट इन ए मिनिमम टाइम। जब हम स्पीड कैन बी मेजर्ड मींस करते हैं, इट इज द परफॉर्मेंस दैट वी डू विद मोटर एक्शन विद द मींस नर्वस सिस्टम हमारे को मैसेज देती है, हम अपने जो स्पीड है जब हम जो है पूरी बिगनिंग टू एंड सेम स्पीड रखते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज द स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट। कुछ होते हैं जो बिगनिंग में इतने फास्ट होते हैं और एंड में आकर थोड़े से स्लो हो जाते हैं और वो पीछे वाले आगे क्रॉस कर जाते हैं। सो स्पीड ऑफ मूवमेंट इज फ्रॉम बिगनिंग टू एंड वी हैव द सेम स्पीड सेम एक्शन। एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ एबिलिटी बेटे इट इज द एबिलिटी ऑफ द हाई स्पीड। आपने जब देखा नहीं कभी फिनिश करते हैं तो कैसे बार सब चिल्ला रहे होते हैं फास्ट कर और फास्ट कर तेरे पीछे वाला पास आ रहा है। सो दैट इज द एक्सेलरेशन एबिलिटी। एक्सेलरेशन एबिलिटी इज द great extent depend upon the explosive strength and the movement. So it is the ability to achieve the high speed means acceleration ability is a ability then when we get the high speed achieve the high speed mostly when फिनिश करते हैं तो उस समय हमारे में कौन सी होती है एक्सेलरेशन एबिलिटी होती है। अगर इसमें दूसरा देख लोगे स्पीड ऑफ इंडोरेंस तो इसमें है कि स्पीड करते समय हमारे को इंडोरेंस की भी जरूरत है। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट इज दैट स्पीड। नो बेटा थर्ड वन इज द इंडोरेंस। इंडोरेंस क्या चीज है? इट इज द एबिलिटी टू डू एनी वर्क विद द फॉर द लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम विदाउट गेटिंग टायर्ड। सो मोस्टली जो इंडोरेंस की हमारे को लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रेसेस में, हॉकी में, फुटबॉल में, बास्केटबॉल में, हैंडबॉल में, साइकिलिंग में, स्विमिंग में, रोड रेस में, इसमें सब में हमारे को इंडोरेंस की जरूरत है। इंडोरेंस की तो बेटे हमारे को डेली अपने कंटिन्यू कोई काम करने में भी जरूरत है कि जैसे 10 मिनट पढ़ते हो 15 मिनट तो मदर कहते हैं कि क्या हुआ अब तो पढ़ नहीं रहा मैम मैं थक गया हूँ 10 मिनट 5 मिनट की ब्रेक चाहता हूँ। सो इट मीन्स you don't have the ability to sustain the work continuously. So this is what it is the endurance। कहते हैं ना कि अभी 2-4 दिन लगेंगे, अभी मैं 5-6 दिन में मेरे में इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाएगी। आज मैं 1 घंटा बैठा हूँ, कल से मैं अपने आप को और इम्प्रूव करूंगा पढ़ने के लिए। जस्ट मैं आपको एग्जांपल तो हमने रेसेस की देनी है ना कि लाइक फुटबॉल, हॉकी, बास्केटबॉल जो जिसमें हम ज्यादा टाइम क्या करते हैं मीन्स हमारे को ज्यादा टाइम के लिए खेलना पड़ता है क्योंकि ग्राउंड्स बड़ी होती हैं तो हमारे को रन फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टू एंड तक रन करना पड़ता है। तो इन गेम्स में हमारे को ज्यादा इंडोरेंस की जरूरत है। तो इंडोरेंस कैन बी शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग भी हो सकती है। शॉर्ट जो है वो उनको हम एनारोबिक कहते हैं और जो लॉन्ग है उनको हम एरोबिक कहते हैं। जो शॉर्ट है उनमें बेटे 200 400 मीटर तक रेसेस आती हैं और जो लॉन्ग है उनमें हम 800 1500 मीटर जो लॉन्ग रेसेस को डालते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी। फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी का अनदर नेम मैंने बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स में आपको बताया हुआ बेटे ROM, रेंज ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ द joints. So it is the ability of the joint to move in a maximum range. So flexibility is the ability of the movement with the greater range of our joints. So flexibility known as the stretchability, elasticity or movability. So flexibility is the another name of the range of movement of the joints. It can be passive or it can be active. Passive means when we do any activity with the help or with the help of another person or with any kind of machinery, we use the activities exercise or active flexibilities when we do our own, just like yoga we are doing, gymnastic when we do by ourselves, those are all called active flexibility. Garish, ये students join कर रहे हैं?
मैम ये रिमूव हो गए थे, फिर से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, रिकनेक्ट हुआ है इनका, दिनेश और मनदीप।
Okay. Last is the coordinating ability. Coordinative ability, I want to share with you that before that coordinative ability was another the name was given it agility. Before 1980, this was known with the name of agility, but after that, agility is known as the another name is the coordination. So coordination, it is the ability of the body to do any movement very perfectly or efficiently, or I can say it is the ability to move or bring the change in the direction without getting unbalanced. Just like मैं आपको कहती हूँ बेटे जिगजैग रनिंग करो, तो वो कौन के ऊपर से आपने वापस आना है, फिर आपने रन करना है। तो जब अब वो टर्निंग बड़े अच्छे तरीके से लेते हो, बैलेंस रखते हो अपने आप को, और स्पीड में भी इतना डिफरेंस नहीं आता, तो बेटे वो क्या चीज है, कोऑर्डिनेशन और agility. Means when we do all these physical fitness component, what is that? Strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, very efficiently and perfectly with the help of neuro muscular coordination, that is known of as the coordination. So this is was the all the component. I think I can finish with the importance too, so we can finish today the physical fitness. So what is the importance of the physical fitness is that better quality of the work. I think your time is getting up to, but we can let me finish in the flow chart. You can do the, you know the component, you know the meaning of physical fitness. It's very easy for you students to do the better quality of the to do the importance of physical fitness. So what is the importance of physical fitness in our life? When what is it? That better quality of work, better utilization of time, increase the life span, proper growth and development, healthy active living, improve the mental health, all round, first of all to ye likhna, all round development of the personality, prevention from health problem, disease or health environment, improvement in the physiological function of the body. Physiological function bete very easy.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sure.
Ma'am, understanding hygiene, please explain कर दो दोबारा.
क्या explain कर दो दोबारा? Prevention from health problem, disease, health environment, and improper improvement in the physiological function, and improvement in the psychological ability, development, and the social quality. So good looking posture and prevention from the stress and tension. So this is all about the importance. Know your physical fitness is all done. Next, when we will do the I will revise you wellness as well as lifestyle. So this importance and the components are left from these two. Right now I want to give you the time. You can be ready for the test, but make sure you have to be finish this topic, and day after tomorrow we will finish the wellness as well as the healthy lifestyle with the component as well as the importance. But make sure you can do nicely the physical fitness meaning component as well as the importance. Very important topic out of this unit is. So wish you all the best, but don't forget two things: writing your name. First write your name, otherwise will be zero score, and go according to the time. 2 o'clock is they were going to stop it. Now you can you are ready, and you will get right away in your screen the test, but make sure you have to be started with the right way, and as soon as you finish you have to submit it right way. Thank you so much. Garish, please stop it right now.